A Resto Mod is a classic car that has been restored but modified with modern parts and technology. This is a spectacular example of a '69 Camaro SS that has been resto modded by AutoMat company. The car had the motor swapped to a fuel-injected 383 stroker with a Hurst shifter and hydraulic clutch. It had an upgrade to Wildwood four-wheel disc brakes and a stainless steel exhaust. The rear was half-tubbed to allow for the custom 19-inch US mag wheels. And the whole body was stripped, straightened, and repainted with the clear coat right over the rally stripes. It was fitted with a Momo sport steering wheel, upgraded odometer gauges, and vintage air conditioning. We installed Recaro sport bucket seats in black leather with a custom-stitched diamond pleat insert design and 3-point retractable seat belts. We also installed a new mass back molded floor carpet, custom mats, and thermal acoustical insulation. We modified the shape of the rear seat to be a sport bench and upholstered it to match the Recaro seats. We also custom fabricated and upholstered the door panels in a matching multi-layer diamond stitch design. We also converted to a high-end black suede headliner and sun visors. We installed a heavily upgraded Bluetooth sound system, and we custom built a unique matching center console with cup holders, armrests, storage, and power switches. The complete trunk lining was also naturally done to match the interior and features an integrated subwoofer enclosure. This all makes for one enjoyable, hot Resto Mod Camaro.